Hello, how do I set an exit strategy for swing trading? By default, I like to use all-time highest price as my default exit point before I even purchase the stock. So let's take an example of MU as of June 16, 2026 to analyze. To be able to see all-time highest price, I use maximum chart, and I like to use daily chart. So maximum daily chart, and when we are looking at MU here, it's showing us all-time highest price. It even turned out to be yesterday as well. So it has been on that rise for for since 2025. We have September 2025, it exceeded this all-time highest price of 2024. The date is on the x-axis from the past to the present, and we have the price on the y-axis from $0 up. I like to buy it on this support line or this one, but right now is at all-time highest price. So when I'm buying stocks, I like to assume I'm going to sell it after it exceeded all-time highest price, because I'm trading growth stocks. They get higher and higher. So therefore, when I'm buying it, I like to sell it at the next all-time highest price, not exactly after it reaches it, because it can exceed it. And in the case of MU, you'll notice that around September 2025, it exceeded this all-time highest price of 2024. It exceeded around September 2025, and every rise from there has been all-time highest price. So therefore, if we purchase it and then we sold it in September of 2025 after it reached all-time highest price, we will have missed all this growth. I never tried it before, so therefore, for me to buy, I want to see it lower first. I'm going to go back here. So, and I don't know when it's going to reach either one of those support lines. In fact, because of this sharp growth, I don't know if it's going to go to this one or if it's going to rest on this one before going up again. This one is just 1 year long, but I will select that as well as my entry point, and I will just wait. So that is how I set my exit strategy: all-time highest price by default, and once it exceeds, I will see previously after it exceeds that all-time highest price, did they fall back down or continue going up, and for how long. That way I know if I need to stay in the trade longer after it reach all-time highest price, or if I'm good with the profit that I have and lock it in by getting out, by selling the stocks and wait again to buy at the value line. So with the strategy you use, how do you set an exit strategy for your swing trading? Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be another stream of income over time. Just start small and slowly but surely grow your account from there. For more swing trading videos in this series, will you please check the playlist how to start swing trading step by step using long Uptrend in the description of this video. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning here with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize, improve them to use in your own financial success journey. But will you please use our information with caution? Thank you. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bag, pouches, or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.